Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet, and today is another episode of using my lipsticks. So, yeah, I got some interesting color choices this week because I did like a color challenge, so I got to play with more of my fun lipsticks. So that was cool. So let's just get into it, see what I used. Also, let me just say, this is not helping my lip service project pan, which I will link up here. Yeah, because I need to slow down on these because I think I'm going to kind of just pick a number and at least try to use my project pan lip products, you know, like half of the time, like 50% of the time. So I think that's what I'm going to try to do. So we'll see if I can stick to it, but I'm going to try to keep it a little, you know, keep it short. I might just push a couple into next week and make up for lost time. Let's start, shall we? So my first, I guess I'll start here. I'll start with the lip liner because, you know, this is, what is this? Deep Red from IBY Beauty. It's this lovely, like, deep red. Yeah, it has a really nice kind of almost like a plummy red to it. That's really pretty. So I like this. It works great. Love it. I will put up a picture of all of these items. I'll do like a little slideshow at the end, kind of like I did last time. So I will lip swatch all of them for you. If you want to stick around to the end, you can see all of them in action. Well, in still photos, but whatever, you know what I'm saying. All right, so my first lipstick I have for you is this Givenchy in Grenat Nocturne. I don't criticize my French. It's probably not great. But anyways, it's just this lovely red, and oh my gosh, okay, so just hold on. Let me just, yeah. Just get a load of this packaging. Look at her. So anyways, this packaging is so beautiful. It's the holiday one. And I just, you know, I just decided I was gonna splurge and treat myself. Pick this one up because I feel like if I wanted to, when this whole thing is gone, I can go ahead and repot like a different lipstick into this container and keep it forever because it's gorgeous. And it has little studs. I mean, it's so cute. Anyway, whatever. Color. Let's get into the color. Oh, you know what I didn't tell you before we get to that? This guy right here, I would rate this. I'm not a lip liner person, but with reds, it's kind of a must. This went really well with my Givenchy lipstick. This did the job, and it was very nice and very easy to apply. And so I think it's gonna get a 4 until further notice. Maybe I'll use it again and I'll change my mind, but we'll just go with 4 for now. Anyways, back to the Givenchy. Let me just, it's such a really beautiful formula. I mean, the packaging is amazing, obviously, but the formula is so nice. It's just really like, I don't even know, like satiny. I will provide a swatch for you at the end so you'll be able to see it even better, but it's beautiful. 5 stars for sure. If I'm gonna wear red, this is the red, and this is the packaging. The packaging kills it, but the lipstick is also lovely and it feels really nice and it looks beautiful. So yeah, 5 out of 5 for that one. And obviously it's red, and I think that one is these are both pretty neutral, I think, so we'll go with that. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell. Anyway, the next lipstick is this Smashbox Always On. liquid lipstick, long lasting. It's in the color Carrot, C-A-R-A-T, like diamond, but carrot stick. So cute. Okay, let me just tell you. You definitely need like a lip balm with these to, you don't want to put this on dry lips. This is Carrot Stick. It is just this really pretty orange color. Obviously it's a metallic. I find these just a little bit too drying, and they start to break up pretty quickly in the center of the lips. So not my favorite thing. They're just a liquid lipstick anyway, which is also not my favorite thing, but the color is so beautiful. And if I can get this to work, if I do it just right, it's really great. It does last. Everywhere else it lasts, but you just really have to get the moisture right. If you can do that, they're really, really good. But due to the difficulty of working with these and the fact that they're liquid, balanced with the fact that they're really beautiful, and this color in particular is really beautiful, I'm gonna have to say that it's a 3. I just don't enjoy the liquid lipsticks, and I don't like how difficult these drier formulas can be to work with. But the color is beautiful, so it does deserve 3. It's gorgeous. Now, along those same lines, we have this one, which is the same formula, same company, Smashbox. It is, the name of this one is Teal With It. So let me swatch her for you. This color is beautiful. Okay, so let me just tell you that this is my favorite color. And because of that, and because it's such a beautiful version of a teal, that goes a long way with me. I will put up with some crap from something like this. So there it is. It is so, so gorgeous. Yeah, so I say, even though the other one got 3 stars, I'm gonna have to give this 4 because I will wear it anyway, and I love it. So this one's gonna get 4 stars. Clearly it is a blue, like a teal color. So I would say that this one obviously is a warm, and I'm gonna go ahead and say that this one could go either way. So I'm calling this a neutral. So there's that. Now, lipsticks. Okay, we have a whole set right here, but I'm gonna pick the next lipstick, which is from Mellow. It is just, it's a cute little nude packaging. Mellow Cosmetics. I got this in like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy or something like that. And I'll just swatch this one over here. It's really pretty. It does have a color. Yeah, it's just called Nude. That's all. That's the color. This color is very matte. And here it is. Here it says nude, but I'm telling you, it is, to me, that is a pink. I'm gonna call this is a cool tone pink. It's really hard to tell sometimes, but yeah. So it's really nice. It's very matte and very dry, but it's not terrible or anything, and I do really like it. So yeah, this one's cool. But yeah, I don't think that's nude. It's called nude, but I would classify this as a pink. It might be nude on somebody else, but not on me. So, but I do like it, and I would say it's not my favorite lipstick formula. I do love a bullet lipstick, but I would have to say this one is maybe, I'm gonna say it's a 3. It's hard because like I want to almost give it like a half star, but let's just say 3 and call it that. So 3 stars. It's not my favorite formula. It's not terrible, but it is a little dry. It does kind of sit into the cracks, but it's not drying. It's just, It's really like almost powdery feeling. So it's interesting. I do really like it. I probably wouldn't necessarily buy this though. So 3 stars is all it gets. Okay, next I have a collection of lipsticks and lip products that is actually on my lips currently. So let's start with, what did I do first? First, I went in. This is from Lick. It's Lique. I just saw it and I was like, okay, I've never heard of that. So yeah, let me check this brand out because Lord knows I need more lipsticks, right? It is in the color Enchanted. I'll show you what it looks like. It's very weird. It's this like diamond shaped, comes out of the tube that way too. So here it is. It's a very cool toned, it's a mauve. So yeah, it's a very cool toned, like mauve, kind of a lavendery, like kind of a honey lavender color. That would be my best description of it. So it's very pretty. It's very, very, very cool toned. So in fact, next to this one, I'm going to change my mind and call that one neutral because it doesn't, it's not even close. So I have this one on. And I would say color is a little light, but I do like it for mixing. So because of that, like the formula's nice. I don't even mind, like the packaging is kind of cool. So I would say if it was a different color, it might be a better rating, like a 4. But because the color is so light, I'm gonna give it like a 3-star rating, which is pretty good. I mean, and if you just look at it, it's not that the color's too light, it's just the way it looks on me. It's kind of, it's like very, very nude, but in a weird way. So I'm not sure. We'll just say 3. I have other lipsticks that are kind of like that, but I like them better for some reason. Maybe the color's just a little off. I don't know. But next I have, well, let me just show you the packaging. Can you tell I really like weird packaging? This is from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. Yeah, I love these. They're so cute. Anyway, this is in the color Lacrimosa. Now, I would definitely call this a cool tone. It is like an iridescent pink with like a blue shimmer in it. It's really pretty. The texture's a little strange because of that, but I'm like trying to decide what these smell like. They're kind of fruity. They smell like candy. They smell like sweet tarts. They're so good. They smell really yummy. It's not like super strong to me. Some people don't like it, but I mean, one person that I talked to doesn't like the smell, but I think they're yummy. I don't eat candy, but I like the way it smells. But let me go ahead and just swatch this for you. Get you a good one here. But I'm gonna say, it's weird. I'm gonna have to go back on my word. I'm gonna say this is neutral. The reason for that is that it's weird. It's got like a warm base with a cool shift. It's hard to tell here, but maybe you'll be able to see it in the swatch. So this is, it smells delicious. The packaging is adorable. It's a really beautiful color. It's a 4. It's a hard 4. Yeah. It's not my absolute favorite, but I love it. So 4 stars for that guy. And last but not least, we have for you a Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Gal on the Moon. So you can see like the little glitters in there. It's like a hot pink, like a fuchsia with a turquoise shift. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that for you right in the middle here. Get a good idea of what we've got here. Okay, let me just show you. So See that there on the bottom. So anyways, it's not like opaque, but it's got a lot of color, so it's really nice. The shift is really cool because like it looks really obvious in here, but it's honestly not. Well, I'm wearing it and this has the same shift as this. So this is just a little gloss and a little more. This one's like almost matte. It's not creamy, but it's not quite matte, but it's close. But anyways, I wanted a gloss over it. So I went with this one, and it looks subtle until the light hits it, and then it's like, bam. It's really cool. So I love this. I will, however, say that as much as I really like this lip gloss, and I do, I love this. It's, again, Fenty Beauty Gal on the Moon. It's beautiful. The only thing is it's lip gloss, and it is a little bit sticky, but I don't care. It's so pretty. I wear it all the time when I'm not doing projects about lip products. I used to wear it all the time. Now I'm sad because I can't wear it again until I get through all this crap. But anyways, I do love it. But because it's a little sticky for my lip gloss preferences, I'm gonna give it a 4, but it's gorgeous. And obviously, like I say, this one is definitely a cool tone, but 4 stars. Pink with blue shift, like not blue shift, pink with turquoise glitters. And that is everything. I will show you the swatches here again, so you can see that. I will take a picture of these swatches so that you can see it better, and put that up there. Oh, I didn't mention, I guess, but these dry down really matte, the Smashbox Always On. So they're pretty close to transfer proof. I mean, it comes off just a little bit, but I don't know if they're completely dried down. But yeah, they last a long time, and yeah, I don't have it here, but I'll take a picture. So anyway, that's everything for my, what is this project? I have too many things going on. But that is everything for my using my lipsticks. And I will go ahead and link down below the other projects that I have going on in this whole kind of series. I have using my eyeshadows, using my lipsticks, like a whole I have a using my collection playlist. I'll just put that down there. And then I will link my Project Pans playlist as well. If you're interested in that, you can check those out. So that is all for today. I will see you guys next time. And until then, have a good one. Bye.